The ACHI president and CEO says they'll try and help local school districts as long as they can ensure the data is accurate. Here in Fort Smith and in Greenwood, schools have rapid COVID-19 test kits available, but the physician and outbreak response for the state says they can't use them just yet when it comes to limiting quarantines.
Our number one goal is we want to educate them and get them here to school and do the very best that we can.
In Greenwood, Superintendent John Ciesla says, just like in Fort Smith, they applied to be in the Test to Stay pilot program through the state, but only Springdale, Bentonville, Russellville, and Cabot schools were selected. Regardless of vaccinations or face masks, the pilot program allows students and staff who've been in close contact to someone with COVID-19 in school to stay in school, as long as they're asymptomatic and agree to daily COVID-19 testing. Right now, Greenwood has 1,200 rapid tests available, but when it comes to Test to Stay.
No, sir, not at this time.
There are a lot of issues to work on and make sure they go right. This is very logistically difficult for the Department of Health, yes, but especially for the schools. They have to report tests, and so we need to make sure that that's going well. We need to make sure that it looks like the program is running as intended in these first 2 weeks.
Many schools across Arkansas also help make decisions based on the data from the Arkansas Center for Health Improvement that shows community spread of COVID-19 per school district. But this week, superintendents were notified that due to lower case numbers and lower tests, the maps could stop in a few weeks since they may not be accurate. In Greenwood, the superintendent says that was one factor in recommending doing away with face mask requirements, which board members approved.
I've been hearing that ACHI's the data, just due to a lot of the home tests and just the numbers going down, that there's less data to actually produce, and did receive an email from ACHI.
If we're doing much less testing in an area, especially an area that's maybe not a heavily populated area to begin with, so there's even fewer tests going on, a few positives in a very small number of tests is going to really throw the positivity rate really high. And they might yo-yo a lot. So you get a lot of yo-yoing. That's what they're worried about. We're working with them and with our own staff on the possibility of if they're not going to continue that, we might be able to provide something similar for school districts to keep looking at, because it has been a very useful tool.
When it comes to face masks for students and staff, here in Fort Smith, school board members are set to meet on Monday, and they're expected to discuss the current requirements. In Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.